Hello, welcome to my easy, lazy, tasty, quick dinner that I just threw together. Here I am assembling all my Avengers, tortillas, salsa, cheese, ground beef, and I'm just kind of showing you how I put these things together. These are all things I had in my fridge / freezer that I could easily throw this air fryer, that I could throw on the stove and just kind of assemble. We thought about going out for dinner, but we were like, you know what? We have all the ingredients at home and this is basically what we would get at a restaurant anyways. So this is typically how I like to warm up my quesadillas. Just throw it on the pan, melty cheese, throw some ground beef that's already cooked in the air fryer. If you don't have one, highly recommend investing. Throw that air fried meat onto the quesadilla, cheesy quesadilla, and just basically let it crisp up, fold it over. As you'll see, it kind of cooks, gets nice and golden brown. Eat your little leftovers while you're cooking and just enjoy it. So this is pretty much, your very average recipe. Throw whatever salsa, guac, sour cream you want on the side. If you only have salsa, again, budget friendly, things you have in the kitchen, and you'll end up with a 10-10 recipe at the end of all of this. So enjoy, and thanks for watching.